In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock a column in Smartsheet. Locking a column is really useful when you want to protect key information from being accidentally changed, especially if you're collaborating with a larger team. Think of things like status fields, formulas, or reference IDs that should stay consistent. By locking a column, you can control who's allowed to edit it, while still letting people view the data they need. First, open your Smartsheet and make sure you're in the grid view where you can see your columns across the top. Identify the column you want to protect. This might be something like status, due date, or a column that contains formulas that drive other parts of your sheet. To access the lock option, move your mouse to the top of that column, right over the column header. You have two simple ways to bring up the menu. One way is to look for the three vertical dots on the right side of the column header. Click those three dots to open the column menu. The other way is to right-click directly on the column header itself. Either method will open the same menu with options related to that column. Once the column menu is open, look through the list of options and find the one labeled Lock Column. Go ahead and click on Lock Column. At this point, Smartsheet may show you a confirmation message or prompt, depending on your permissions, reminding you that locking a column will restrict editing for users who don't have the right level of access. Confirm that you want to proceed. After you lock the column, you'll notice that it looks slightly different, usually with a small lock icon or a subtle visual cue indicating that it's protected. People with lower permissions will now be able to see the data, but they won't be able to change it. This helps prevent accidental edits and keeps your most important information consistent across your entire sheet. If you ever need to make changes later, you can repeat the same process on the column header and choose to unlock it, provided you have the correct permissions. And that's all there is to it. Open the menu on your chosen column, click Lock Column, and your data